Hey guys, welcome to Tony the Realtor. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a tour of a listing that I have, 1505 South Tripp in Chicago. It is a 2-unit, okay? Upstairs is duplexed to the third floor technically, right? It is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs. Upstairs has 2 bathrooms, downstairs has 1 bathroom. But come with me this way. I'm going to take you inside before we go to the second floor, because I'm going to only show you 1 unit. I'm going to show you the upstairs unit. Tenants live on the first floor. We're not going to disturb them. I do want to show you though the yard, okay? They spent a lot of money on the yard when they bought the property. You're going to see what looks like pavers, but they're not pavers. It's actually stamped concrete, and I want you to pay attention to the height of the garage. It's a very, very high garage, but the price is listed at $565, okay? Look at this yard, humongous. And again, this is stamped concrete, so this is solid, super solid. This gazebo is going to stay with the sale, okay? Now, I don't know about the furniture down here. Possibly they might leave it, but look at all the space that they have in here because of the gazebo. A lot of space. The garage, I'm gonna stand next to the garage. If you got a big truck or a van or something, it's gonna fit. Very, very nice height, okay? Come over here, we take a look. Again, first floor tenant, second floor, main living space. And then the third floor up there has a deck where you can overlook and see downtown Chicago on the nice non-foggy night. But guys, I'm gonna take you inside. Can't wait for you to see it. And again, we're gonna only look at the second floor that is duplexed up to the third. So here we go. All right, guys, so we're inside this property tour in Chicago, 1505 South Tripp, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We are on the second floor, okay? In this video, you're gonna see the second floor, and then it's duplexed up to the upper level. But this is the living room, okay? So we have nice LED lights with fans. Back here is the staircase going up to that duplexed upper level, which is really nice. But there's a lot of living space in here. You'll notice they have like an eat-in table right here. So if they were going to have breakfast or lunch or dinner, this is where they would be doing it. Outside, away from the kitchen, which is cool. But it's still enough space to where the living room is still the living room, the kitchen is still the kitchen. But then you got this awesome area here where you could sit down and eat, which is what I really enjoy, okay? I love the ceilings. I love the can lighting, and of course they do have central air, which you'll see up there. But take a second here to appreciate the way the ceilings are designed. Very nice, very crafty. Gives it a very, very modern look. Okay, we're going to go into the kitchen now. It's the open concept kitchen. Okay, these look like quartz. Am I right? I think they're granite though. They give the quartz vibe. They have a granite vibe to them. You call them what you want. If you're a stone expert, let me know in the comments on what you think. But super tall cabinets. I do think they're 42-inch cabinets. And check this out. Shout out to the owner for using the Sazon Goya. Look at that. They know what they're doing. Season your food, people. Season your food. Okay. We have the oven. We have the microwave combo. I gotta come over here and I gotta do the water thing. Yeah. The water is wet, everybody. The water is wet in case you were wondering, okay? There is a dishwasher over here, which is a nice touch, right? A lot of houses at the high price points, sometimes they don't come with dishwashers. So when I see one, I like to point it out, okay? Is this a Lazy Susan? Yeah. No, it's not a lazy, oh, it's a Lazy Susan. So they got a lazy Susan in here, which is kind of cool, right? But the utilization of space, the way they currently have it, is like exactly what I would do. A place for your pots and pans. You have this nice little island right here that's movable. Pretty cool. Proof that the space in here is ample, okay? Refrigerator is a full-size General Electric. I do like that. And then over here is where your mechanicals are actually housed. So out of the way, you don't even hear them. Fantastic, okay? Now here's the bathroom. This is the bathroom that's on the first floor. There is a tub here along with the shower, and I will say you got to take a look at the tile. Everything in here is up to date. Nothing in here looks dated. Okay, this was rehabbed, I want to say about 2 years ago, but they've kept up with it, and it looks fantastic. Okay, there is a bedroom on this floor. I'm going to take you into the bedroom right now. They are currently utilizing the bedroom as a gym. Okay, really, really nice. So they can stay, you know, they can stay fit. Look at this space. You imagine you can put in here a king size bed and you would be fine. You know, and if we switch places, you'll notice that over here, they also have a, you know, closet space, a lot of closet space. So that was one bedroom, that was one bathroom. You saw a living room area, a little dining area, and then of course this is the kitchen. I am now going to take you upstairs to the second floor of the duplex. So here we go. So the upper level of the duplex, what do we have up here? We have 2 bedrooms, we have a bathroom, and we have this really cool elongated, what is that, hallway, okay? Loft, if you want to call it. Look how big this couch is. Check this. I'm not a small guy. Look at this couch. Awesome, okay? They watch TV here. I love it. Movies are probably awesome up here, okay? You do have an in-unit washer and dryer, which is right here, okay? There is also a deck that I want to show you guys, okay? Here's the deck, okay? Beautiful. And if we look, we can look down here. I want you to see this, okay? Those are not pavers, okay? If you look down, that's stamped concrete, okay? That's stamped concrete. It's going to last. It's fantastic. And that beautiful gazebo down there, that's going to stay, okay? That's going to stay. All right, let's go inside and let's take a look at the bathroom and the bedrooms, okay? All right, so I'm gonna close this door right here, okay? Now we're walking into the bathroom, okay? Bathroom has a really large shower, okay? I'm gonna have you show off the shower if you wanna come in, take a look, okay? Huge shower space, okay? Floor is really good, everything's fantastic. Now we're gonna go to the bedrooms, okay? We'll go to the first bedroom on the right. They're currently using it as an office, but just imagine like if you were living here, what you would use it as. Just because it's an office now doesn't mean it has to be an office later, okay? Take a look at all the space. They've been able to put, you know, a shelving hanger system here for all the clothes. Very, very orderly, very tidy. And, you know, think about that. They took good care of their house. And you can tell by the way that everything's decorated in here. They are using it right now as an office, which is pretty cool. That's not a small table. I would sit at the desk, but there's only one boss in this house, and it's not me. So let's go to the other bedroom. Now, the bedroom that we're going to go in is the primary bedroom of the floor. This bed that you see in here is actually it's a king size or queen size bed. It's a very, very large bed. Okay. They still have one of those fancy LED lights up there with the fans. So when the AC is going and that's spinning, you get hit with the nice cold air. And then look at the size of this place. There's even still a couch in here, like a little love seat. And then over here, you still have more closet space. So if you guys want to see or learn more about this, you can click the link in the video description to schedule a showing. But if you want to see more properties in Chicago, you can click over here. If you want to see them in the burbs, you can click here. Or if you want to actually subscribe, just go ahead and click my face in the middle. But I'm Antonio the Realtor, and thanks for watching the video.